Welcome to today's lecture on case reports in pharmacoepidemiology. In this session, we will explore what case reports are, why they matter, how they contribute to drug safety, and their strengths and weaknesses. We will also discuss classic historical examples that shaped modern clinical research. Introduction to case reports. A case report is one of the simplest forms of observational research. It describes an event in a single patient, often an unusual reaction, side effect, or clinical finding. Because it involves only one individual, it cannot prove a cause and effect relationship. However, it is extremely important for identifying early warning signals in pharmacology. Key features of case reports. Case reports highlight clinical events as they occur in real patients. They may point out a potential drug reaction, but they cannot determine whether the drug definitely caused the event. Instead, they generate hypotheses that researchers can later test through stronger study designs. Role of case reports in pharmacoepidemiology. In pharmacovigilance, many major drug safety concerns were first noticed through case reports. When multiple similar reports appear, they form a pattern that encourages scientists and regulators to investigate further. Case reports are therefore essential for early detection of drug-related hazards. Historical example. One of the most influential case reports in history came from Dr. William McBride. He reported that thalidomide taken during pregnancy was linked with severe birth defects. This simple observation changed drug safety forever and helped establish teratology, the study of birth defects. Another well-known example is minoxidil. A patient treated for hypertension developed increased hair growth, a finding later utilized to make minoxidil a topical treatment for baldness. Again, a single case opened the door to a new therapeutic use. Advantages of case reports. Case reports act as a frontline alert system. They help clinicians notice unexpected effects, encourage others to share similar observations, and often lead to discoveries about rare adverse drug reactions. In fact, several life-saving safety warnings began with just one documented case. Disadvantages of case reports. Despite their importance, case reports have clear limitations. They cannot prove that a drug directly caused an event, because there is no control group or comparison. The findings may be accidental or linked to other factors. Therefore, they are mainly used for early signals rather than strong conclusions. Thank you for joining this lecture on case reports in pharmacoepidemiology. I hope this session helped you understand how single patient observations can guide major decisions in drug safety and research. Keep learning, keep exploring, and continue contributing to safer healthcare.